Imagine a pasta dish so simple, yet so refined, that it's been beloved for centuries in Rome heart. Three ingredients only: pasta, pepperoni romano, and black pepper. That's it. No cream, no butter, no extra. Today, I'm going to instruct you on how to make Cacio e Pepe, Rome ultimate comfort food. You surely wonder at some point how to get pasta to be so incredibly flavorful with virtually nothing at all. So here we are. People are always asking me, how do you make Alfredo? How do I make Alfredo at home? And while Alfredo is creamy and rich and amazing, Cacio e Pepe is like its bold, stripped down cousin. It's the kind of thing Rome shepherds would have made right out in the fields. And if you have ever searched for how to cook spaghetti, how to cook pasta, or even how to cook lasagna, you fall in love with learning this classic recipe. Alright, let's get started. To cook this recipe, you only require spaghetti or tornarelli. That's the traditional pasta. Freshly cracked black pepper. Pecorino Romano cheese grated very finely. That's it, no shortcut. No cream, no butter, just three things combining into one of the most flavorful dishes you ever make. Step 1. Boil your pasta. If you have ever wondered how do I make pasta or how do you make pasta from scratch, the answer is always the same. Lots of salty water. Meanwhile, toast your black pepper in a dry pan until it's pungent. This gets the flavors up and running and your kitchen will smell like Rome's itself. Now, here's the secret. Don't drain all the pasta water. You need it. That starchy water is liquid gold. Add a little of it to your pan with the pepper. Then toss it in your pasta. Slowly sprinkle in the Pecorino Romano, stirring and toasting until it melts into a creamy, peppery sauce. No cream needed, just technique. This is where Cacio e Pepe shines. Unlike when you're learning how to make cheesy macaroni or learning how to make spaghetti squash in the event that you wish for a healthier alternative, this dish does not rely on heavy sauce. Emulsifying water and cheese is everything about it. And if you have ever tried to learn how to make spaghetti squash or how do I cook spaghetti squash, you can testify that texture matters everything. The same goes here. The pasta has to be just the right bite. Look at that, rich, glistering pasta covered in cheese and pepper. Magic. This is the kind of dish that explains why Italians are so particular about pasta. Whatever your taste in the more conventional dishes like lasagna, or you're just discovering how you cook pasta, this recipe is worth having on your plate. Now it's your turn. Will you try Cacio e Pepe at home? Let me know in the comments whether you're a creamy Alfredo fanatic or peppery Cacio e Pepe fanatic. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe for more delicious pasta stories. Share this video with your foodie pals because pasta this good needs to be shared.